प्रतिकूल उसके एक पक्ष है, दक्षिणी से शिवानी तक पीड़ा उसकी प्रत्यक्ष है। इन स्वरचित पंक्तियों के साथ आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस के अवसर पर मैं इशिता आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, who is not here, but he'll get our wishes. Our esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Julie Tomar ji, Sub-Inspector Magroni, dear colleagues and my most favorite people, our dear students. This morning, we all gather to celebrate Women's Day. आज का दिन खास है क्योंकि यह दिवस उन सभी महिलाओं का धन्यवाद करने का एक अवसर है जिन्होंने हमारे जीवन में किसी न किसी रूप में एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है। There are multiple theories and suggestions available on why Women's Day is celebrated. However, the more important question is not since when or how, but why is there a need to herald and celebrate the existence of women? प्रश्न जो कि कुछ निंदक प्रवृत्ति के लोग उठाते हैं कि महिला दिवस मनाकर महिला का सम्मान करना क्यों आवश्यक है। उत्तर स्वरूप मैं कुछ कठिन मार करने वाले तथ्य आज प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सर्वप्रथम तो महिलाओं की सभी उपलब्धियों की सराहना करने और याद करने के लिए महिला दिवस का उत्सव मनाने की आवश्यकता ही यह सबसे बड़ा प्रमाण है कि महिलाओं के योगदान को महत्व ना देकर उनके अस्तित्व की अवहेलना की जाती है। The central point of Shri Guru Granth Sahib is that a woman who gives birth to even kings cannot be termed as inferior. Guru Nanak Dev, the founder of Sikhism, encouraged women to take an active role in every sphere of life as an equal of man. Jainism is distinguished by its recognition of women as independent, spiritual agents with the capacity for renunciation and salvation. Christ's redemptive work calls women and men to share authority equally in service and leadership. कुरान में जहाँ माँ के पैरों में जन्नत का दर्जा दिया गया है, वहाँ सनातन के अनुसार यस्य पूज्यते नार्यस्तु तत्र रमन्ते देवताः, अर्थात जहाँ नारी की पूजा होती है वहीं देवता निवास करते हैं। There are too many misconceptions about feminism. Myth 1. Feminism is anti-men. No. It seeks gender equality. All feminists are same. No. There are various branches: liberal feminism, socialist feminism, radical feminism, intersectional feminism. Feminists hate traditional roles. No. Giving individual freedom to choose the roles that suit them the best is feminism. Feminism is a Western concept. No. It is a global movement. Fifth point, second last point, feminism only focuses on gender issues. No. Many issues like gender rights, racial equality, economic justice, these are addressed by feminism. Last point, feminism is no longer necessary. Do you think feminism is necessary right now? Feminism is no longer necessary. Wrong. Gender inequality persists in various forms: reproductive rights, gender pay gap, and underrepresentation in leadership roles. So if you look at these facts, can you play the facts? The male-female ratio when it comes to involvement in education. Also, gender-based violence. Violence against women include rape, murder, domestic violence, suicide. In year 2020, there was this movie Thappad, for which I had interviewed Taapsee Pannu, and I will play some portion of it.